Feeling the summer heat drain your energy? Does the long, sunny days leave you feeling more sluggish than vibrant? It's a common experience for many as temperatures rise. The intense summer sun and increased activity can often lead to a noticeable dip in our usual vitality. We crave that sustained energy to enjoy the season fully. But what if a simple green powder could naturally boost your vitality? Imagine a natural solution that helps you stay active and refreshed, even on the hottest days. Today, we're diving into the world of Moringa, often hailed as a true superfood. This incredible plant has been used for centuries for its profound health benefits. Moringa is packed with an impressive array of energizing and nutritional compounds. It offers a holistic approach to wellness, supporting your body from the inside out. We'll explore how Moringa can transform your summer energy levels naturally. Get ready to discover a powerful ally for a more vibrant and energetic summer season. Moringa oleifera is often called the miracle tree for very good reason. Its leaves, pods, and seeds are all highly nutritious and offer remarkable health benefits. This resilient tree originates from parts of Africa and Asia, thriving in arid and semi-arid regions. It has been a staple in traditional medicine for thousands of years. Today, Moringa is widely available in various convenient forms. You can find it as a fine powder, in refreshing tea blends, or encapsulated for easy daily consumption. Its impressive nutrient profile is truly outstanding. Moringa leaves are particularly rich in essential vitamins, including vitamins A, C, and E, crucial for overall health. Vitamin A supports healthy vision and immune function. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, vital for skin health and immunity. Vitamin E protects cells from damage. Beyond vitamins, Moringa contains significant amounts of vital minerals. It provides calcium, essential for strong bones, and potassium, important for fluid balance. It also offers a good source of plant-based protein, which is often rare in leafy greens. This makes it a valuable addition for those seeking diverse protein sources. Moringa is exceptionally rich in antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress in the body. It also contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. Furthermore, it's a notable source of iron, a mineral crucial for energy production. This comprehensive nutrient profile contributes to its powerful health-boosting properties. The summer heat can be incredibly draining, leading to a common phenomenon: energy dips. Understanding why this happens is the first step to combating it effectively. One primary reason is dehydration. High temperatures cause our bodies to sweat more, leading to significant fluid loss. Even mild dehydration can trigger fatigue. When you're dehydrated, your blood volume decreases, making your heart work harder. This extra effort can quickly lead to feelings of tiredness and sluggishness. Sweating also depletes essential minerals from your body. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium are lost through perspiration, disrupting bodily functions. These minerals are vital for nerve and muscle function, as well as maintaining fluid balance. Their depletion can directly contribute to feelings of exhaustion. Another factor is that poor appetite can sometimes occur in hot weather. The desire for heavy, nutrient-dense meals might decrease, leading to low nutrient intake. If you're not consuming enough calories or essential vitamins and minerals, your body lacks the fuel it needs. This nutritional deficit can manifest as persistent fatigue. Common symptoms of summer energy drain include a general feeling of sluggishness. You might find it harder to concentrate or feel less motivated to engage in activities. Many people also report a noticeable low mood during periods of intense heat. The discomfort and fatigue can impact mental well-being, making you feel irritable or down. Perhaps the most pervasive symptom is persistent tiredness, even after a full night's sleep. It feels like your body is constantly working overtime just to stay cool. This combination of dehydration, mineral loss, and potential nutrient deficiencies creates a challenging environment for maintaining optimal energy levels throughout summer. Moringa offers a powerful, natural solution to combat summer energy dips. Its unique nutritional composition directly addresses the root causes of fatigue. One key benefit comes from its high iron content, combined with vitamin C. Iron is essential for producing hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in your blood. Vitamin C significantly enhances the absorption of non-heme iron from plant sources. This synergistic effect ensures your body can effectively utilize the iron it receives. Improved oxygen flow throughout your body is crucial for energy production. When your cells receive ample oxygen, they can efficiently convert food into usable energy. This enhanced oxygen delivery directly boosts your energy levels, helping you feel more vibrant and less fatigued. It supports cellular respiration and overall vitality. Moringa is also a good source of B vitamins, which play a critical role in energy metabolism. These vitamins help convert carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into energy. B vitamins are also vital for supporting healthy brain function. They contribute to neurotransmitter production, which can improve focus, mood, and cognitive clarity. Furthermore, moringa contains magnesium and potassium, two minerals essential for muscle health. These electrolytes help prevent muscle fatigue and cramping. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including energy production and muscle relaxation. Potassium helps maintain fluid balance and nerve signals. By replenishing these vital minerals, moringa helps prevent heat exhaustion. It supports your body's ability to regulate temperature and maintain proper function in the heat. Unlike artificial stimulants, moringa provides a natural, non-caffeinated alternative to energy drinks. It offers sustained energy without the jitters or subsequent crash. It supports your body's natural energy production pathways, promoting a more balanced and enduring sense of vitality. This makes it an ideal choice for daily energy support. Moringa offers a wealth of additional benefits that are particularly advantageous during the summer months. It goes beyond just boosting energy, supporting overall well-being. It actively supports hydration by helping balance electrolytes in the body. As we sweat more in summer, maintaining electrolyte balance is crucial for proper bodily function. Moringa provides minerals like potassium and magnesium, which are key electrolytes. These help regulate fluid balance, nerve signals, and muscle contractions, preventing dehydration. It also significantly boosts the immune system, which can be challenged by summer activities and travel. A strong immune system helps ward off common summer infections. Its high vitamin C and antioxidant content fortify your body's defenses. This helps you stay healthy and active, rather than being sidelined by seasonal bugs. Moringa protects the skin from sun damage with its powerful antioxidants. Compounds like quercetin and chlorogenic acid help neutralize free radicals caused by UV exposure. While not a substitute for sunscreen, it offers an internal layer of protection. This contributes to healthier, more resilient skin, especially important during sunny days. The plant provides significant anti-inflammatory effects. Its natural compounds help reduce inflammation throughout the body, which can be beneficial in various ways. This anti-inflammatory action can help reduce body aches in hot weather. Muscle soreness or general discomfort can be exacerbated by heat and increased activity. By mitigating inflammation, moringa helps soothe tired muscles and joints. This allows for greater comfort and mobility, encouraging you to stay active and enjoy the season. These comprehensive benefits make moringa an exceptional superfood for summer. It supports your energy, hydration, immunity, skin health, and overall comfort. Incorporating moringa into your summer routine is incredibly easy and versatile. Its mild, earthy flavor blends well with many different foods and beverages. A simple way to start is by adding a teaspoon of moringa powder to your morning smoothie. It effortlessly blends in, boosting the nutritional content of your favorite blend. You can also mix it into fresh fruit juices for a refreshing and energizing drink. Orange juice or apple juice can mask its flavor while delivering a nutrient punch. For ultimate hydration, try mixing moringa powder with coconut water. This combination provides natural electrolytes and a refreshing taste, perfect after a hot day. Coconut water is naturally hydrating, and adding moringa amplifies its benefits. It's an excellent post-workout or midday pick-me-up. Consider creating a refreshing moringa lemonade for a delightful summer beverage. Combine fresh lemon juice, a touch of natural sweetener, water, and a teaspoon of moringa. This zesty drink is not only delicious but also packed with vitamins and antioxidants. It's a fantastic way to stay cool and energized throughout the day. The best time to take moringa for energy is typically in the morning or early afternoon. This allows its energizing nutrients to support you throughout your active hours. Taking it earlier in the day ensures you reap its full benefits for sustained energy. Avoid taking it too close to bedtime as its energizing properties might interfere with sleep. Start with a small amount, like half a teaspoon, and gradually increase as your body adjusts. Listen to your body and find the dosage that works best for your energy needs. Moringa is a simple yet powerful addition to your summer wellness strategy. Embrace this miracle tree for a more vibrant, energized, and healthy summer season.